Hey guys, this is Neha here, and today I am going to create a new PayPal account so that you can understand every step that you need to do to create a PayPal account. So let me tell you first that there are two steps involved in this. First, we need to give them our personal bank and business details, and then second, we need to upload documents to verify our information. So three types of documents are needed for that. First, proof of identity, second, proof of address, and third, proof of bank. And you must have a PAN card to create PayPal account. If you don't have PAN card, then you can create PayPal account, but you cannot use the PayPal account in terms of sending and receiving funds. So I have my PAN card, so let me show you how you can create your PayPal account. So let's start here. Here we can see the option sign up for free. Just click here. You will get two options. So first, either you can create your individual account or you can create business account. So create individual account if you want to send payments only, and create business account if you want to receive and send payments, right? So today we are going to create business account, and just click on next. Here we need to fill these details. So here first is asking I'm looking to accept payments. So here we will get the option, we can choose it from here. So I'll choose via email, invoicing or link. Then second, we need to enter my monthly sales volume is, again you will get the option, you can choose it from here. And the third, my payment preferences. So here we will choose both INR and foreign currency, because whenever we work with foreign client, they will pay us in foreign currency, right? And PayPal will convert this in our currency and will transfer it to our bank account. So here we will choose both INR and foreign currency, because actually we want to receive foreign currency here, right? So then click on next. And here we need to enter a email address. So let me, okay. And you will use this email address to log into your PayPal account and then click on submit. So now here we will create a strong password. So let me create a strong password and just click on submit. Okay, now here you need to give them details about your business. So first they are asking about your business type. So here you can see individual, sole trader, partnership, corporation. Choose according to yours. I'm choosing here individual. And then here we need to fill these details. Here first they are asking about product or service keyword. So we can choose this from the keywords, or if you in general you can use this keyword also. So computer network or information service. And next they are asking about purpose code. So let's go again and search for it, and here again I'm entering other information services. And now here we need to enter PAN card number, and this PAN card holder will only receive payment in his bank account from this PayPal account. And make sure you give all the details of this person only, because they will verify everything. So just enter the PAN card number here, and in PayPal here you can write your name also. I'm writing Neha, and then here your business URL, if you want you can add here. So just enter this and then just click on submit, and then you will reach to this page. Here you can see they are asking about business owner contact information. Fill these details very carefully and make sure you enter the name here which is there in your PAN card. Okay, and then you can see they are asking about date of birth, contact address, business information. Here you need to give your phone number, and then just click on agree and continue. So once you filled all the details, then you will come to this page. So here we will see everything one by one. So let's see the first one. The first one, here we need to verify our email. So for that just click on this, and when you click on this, here you will get option to go to Gmail. And here you can see we will get a mail from PayPal. So here you can see this is the mail. So you can see welcome to PayPal, activate your account now. Just click on this and just click here get started now. And we need to enter the password here. So let me enter the password here and just confirm email. So now you can see our email has been verified.
So now next, link a bank account. So just click here, and when you will click here, you will come to this page. Here just enter the detail of your bank account and then just click on link your bank. So once you fill the details of your bank account and click on link with bank, then you will reach to this page. So here you need to request deposit. So what PayPal do? PayPal, to confirm your bank account, PayPal will send two small deposits to your bank. So for this you need to click on request deposits. And then you need to check your bank account whether deposit has arrived or not. Sometimes it can take up to 48 hours. So once you receive the deposit, then you need to go here. When you click on money, you will come to this page, and here you can see confirmation pending. Then you can need to click here, and here you need to ready to confirm. You need to click here, confirm bank. And here you need to enter the amount that you will receive from PayPal. Once you enter the amount, just click on confirm and you are done with this. Your account will be confirmed with PayPal. And then let me show you the next step. So let's go back. So the next step is we need to upload identity documents. So to upload documents, just click here. Scroll down and just click on agree and get started. So here first they are asking about proof of identity. So for this we need to upload a copy of our personal PAN card to confirm our identity. So simply just enter your PAN card number here and upload the file, and then just click on submit. So here you can see we have uploaded our proof of identity. So once you uploaded your proof of identity, then you will come to this page, and here we need to confirm our address. So for this we need to upload one of these documents. So upload one of these documents and then just scroll down and then just click on submit. Here you can see we have uploaded proof of address also, and we got the green sign. So next we need to upload proof of bank account, right? So for that, here you have the 4 options. You can upload any one of them: cancel check, bank letter, passbook, bank statement, and then just click on submit. So now you can see we have uploaded proof of bank also. So, and here you can see we got green sign in all of them. It means we have done everything. And here you can see the notification also that thank you for providing all the required information, and PayPal will notify us within 2 or 3 business days. So this is all that we need to do to create a PayPal account. I hope you understood everything clearly, and now you can create your PayPal account easily. So friends, if you find this video helpful, then please like the video, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.